Which LiftYourTable is right for you? Without a riser installed, a folding table typically stands 28 inches from the floor. The problem is that this table is not at the right height to work behind. Our most popular riser is standard size, which lifts your table to approximately 36 inches from the floor. This achieves what we call kitchen counter height. The custom/bar demo size lifts your table to approximately 42 inches from the floor, achieving bar height. This is also the preferred height for a standing desk, and is the same height for our standing desk kit. The XL Super Display size raises a folding table to the maximum height of 48 inches. This achieves a more appropriate standing desk height for taller individuals over 6'2", or to raise grooming tables. Lastly, the straight leg kit is our only riser that will elevate tables with straight legs, and will lift your table approximately 36 inches, the same as standard size. Our products come with either a hard foot for easy repositioning or a non-slip foot to keep your table steady. The hard foot is available on the standard, custom, and straight leg kits. The non-slip foot is available on the standard, bar demo, standing desk, and XL Super Display kits. Lightweight and portable, take them with you anywhere you need your table at the right height. Lift your table and save your back.